Hello cuties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, and if you're new here, welcome. And if you've been a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. So today I decided to do something that I've been meaning to freaking do forever. I got the Conspiracy palette, but not only that, I got the Tati palette. So excited to review these. I just feel like, honestly, I'm just a basic girl, and my theme in this video is, can a basic girl dabble in this palette? Honestly, I will never wear these eyeshadows ever, and you will see in the video what happened. I was thinking of like going on using gold light colors, you know, neutral colors for both palettes, and it was just like, no, I'm not going with dark themes. Freaking love these. Just, you know, if you want to see how I did this tutorial and what are my thoughts in these two palettes, keep on watching. So let's just jump into the video. Let's go. Guys, I'm just gonna go ahead really fast, put my foundation on, and then start doing the review on the palette. So let's just get into it. So I do have the mini palette here, but I'm gonna be honest, I do not like I don't like the color. I don't, oh my gosh, this tutorial started like negative. Let me just say, love Shane. He looks like a sweetheart. Hopefully he is in real life. Me and my mom keep smelling this, and it literally smells like pills or like medicine. And it's so funny. This palette's just not, it's not me. I bought it just to support him. I remember like my sister did like the impossible to get these palettes. Like she had like 3 laptops. I was at work. I was with my cell phone, and I was like, we couldn't get the palette, and it was so heartbreaking. But there was a Morphe that opened recently in Cherry Hill Mall. I saw the Morphe store and I saw a line. I was like, Sis, what we doing right now?
Waiting for the save Dawson Conspiracy.
You think we're gonna get it?
We're gonna trample some people. We gonna fucking get it.
I got the palette, which was freaking awesome, but I do really want to focus on the Conspiracy palette and then also dabble in Tati Beauty. So let me just open these babies. I'm gonna go ahead with Shane, and oh my gosh, I don't even know how to show you this without the mirror. Oh, hi, here you go. Oh my gosh, these colors are freaking beautiful. The one that I won't use is this one because I'm a basic bitch and I can't use that, but whoever could use that is amazing. Like I know it will go beautiful in my skin tone, but I'm just like, I don't know how to use it, and it's a little bit intimidating, you know. And this like all about me trying not to be intimidated. This palette is a little bit intimidating, you know. It's just a tiny bit intimidating. But oh my gosh, look at these colors. So lovely, so beautiful. I haven't like swatched it. Like I don't know how pigmented they are. So let me dive in here. Let's see. I would start with the one that cost to me the most, and it's Just a Theory. So Just a Theory right here. Let's see. That's one. So I'm gonna do it right here. Not bad. Not bad. Illuminati, because I love that color. That's the second one I was looking at. Oh, that's so beautiful. Love Illuminati. I don't know if I could do anything with that because that's dark colors, and I'm like, oh. But it's so lovely. I feel like it will go so great with my eye. I don't know what I want to create yet, because this is just me, a like basic girl trying to experiment with these palettes. Oh my god, Trisha. Let's try Trisha. Ooh, okay. Not my color, not my cup of tea. Oh, there's a lot of fallout, which is okay. Like, it's makeup, there's always gonna be fallout. Oh my gosh, Cheese Puff. This is literally just one like from the palette, and that's it. These colors are very different. I never seen a palette like this. Let me just start off by saying that you know, I know that it's more of like kind of a little bit basic, but kind of a little bit bold. It's very diverse, very diverse. Am I intimidating? Yes. Am I gonna dabble in it as much as I think that I'm gonna dabble on, like, let's say my Juvia's palette? No, because these colors are very intimidating for a basic girl like me, or like, I just think basic people in general, like, these are like, oh, probably won't wear that, but you know, whatever. Then let's go ahead and jump into Tati palette. Let me tell you, I first of all, this mirror right here, you know, it's so huge, you can see all your imperfections, but I freaking love it. It's so beautiful. It's a really like high quality mirror. Wow, I could really just see everything. Like, she really did her thing with the mirror. Now let me show you, this is why I bought this palette, because I felt like this was such a me palette. This, if I want a palette that scream basic in a good way, like an everyday palette, this is it. This is it. This is the palette that like basic girls, the neutral girls, like everyday makeup, go to work, you know, or like natural makeup. This is it. This is your palette. This is more like a collector item, and this is more like an everyday palette, you know. But let me swatch these babies. I want to see how good are these colors. This is legit glitter pressed in there. Let me show you. So that was just one. This is gonna be, I don't know how to deal with this, so and then you just press it in with your finger, I believe. Metallic Memory. Now this is something I would love to use. Why are they not showing up so pretty? I like the Conspiracy palette formula more than Tati's, but I like Tati's neutral tones. Something about to hit the fucking fan, because okay, gotta go ahead with glitter story.
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help with that.
Google, I wasn't talking to you. Here, let's see. Oh my god. Okay. Wow. So beautiful. That is beautiful. Okay. Okay, I was getting scared because I was like, what's going on? I'm gonna go ahead with Metallic Dory. This look like such in my lane. This color is so beautiful. So beautiful. This is about to happen. I'm gonna go ahead with this one right here. I really want to work with Illuminati. Fuck it, I'm gonna go for it. They say blend to the gods. I'm trying. I'm not a good blender. It's because people be blending there for like 20 minutes, and I'm like, man, hurry up. Like, I don't got time for this. I am impatient human being. If I want something, I want it now. Honestly, I want to go for this color. I want to go for Just Dairy, but this one is calling my name. We're not being basic today. Do I know how to apply this? No, so I'm gonna use my finger. It's so funny how I wasn't thinking of doing this look. I will never do this look because the colors are so different. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. I'm kind of intimidated by any like black colors because they're very intimidating for me. But I just feel like I for this look that I'm clearly doing, thinking that I'm a makeup guru, have to like go for it. Okay, blend to the fucking gods right now. I will never put these colors together. I would never do dark colors. I am such a neutral chick, like basic, like orange and gold. Literally my staples for makeup. Would never think about doing this ever. Shane Dawson, I would never ever do this. This is so funny how you're getting me out of my comfort zone. I'm gonna go ahead and use my apology from this palette right here, the mini one. Let's see. Trying to see if this is gonna work. We're really fucking experimenting. Like, my heart is legit beating. Hopefully it doesn't look like somebody punched my eyes and I got a black and blue. That's what I'm trying to avoid. Give you my final thoughts after I'm done with Tati's palette. Okay, guys. Let's see what I want to use here. You know what? I feel like we should do something different too for Tati palette, because why the hell not? What colors would I not use? I said I would use, what did I say? I would use orange and gold, right? We're trying to avoid that. Let's start off with Soothe. Gonna concentrate on this row right here, which is dark colors. Soothe, no, this one. Soothe, gonna use this one for transition. Gonna like dabble on some purples. So Ashley's being bold today. She's being a little bit too bold. Like, girl, who you think you are? Like, comment down below if there's a palette that you see that there's no fallout and it's really good. Usually I would go with this one and this one, but you know, just to make a fair comparison, just on the darker colors, why not? Let's see. Oh wow, that glitter's so pretty. Wow, look at that. Look at that glitter, so pretty. I like how I'm using my finger for this. I don't know, I just feel like that's the best method. Okay, so right off the bat, I noticed that Tati Black is not as great as Shane Dawson Black. Right off the bat, I was like, it's kind of lighter. It's not like it's like a little bit ashy. I don't like ashy stuff because for a girl who's dark skinned, ashy stuff is not good. It's no bueno. It's like, oh. I'm gonna be honest, I love the metallics more than the glitter. Like, look at this. Is it like giving it justice? Do I look like I got a black eye? Yes, but are we gonna ignore it? Hell yeah. Okay, we're just gonna ignore it. We're just gonna ignore it. You know what? Let's put mascara. Always works. Not gonna lie, the glitter kind of felt like threw me off, and the black threw me off from Tati palette. Do I think it's a beautiful color theme? Hell yeah. Do I think I still gonna use it like every freaking day, like compared to this conspiracy palette? Yeah, because it's an everyday palette. It's like, this is what you would use for your everyday makeup if you're a neutral girl like me. This was just me like experimenting with the colors, you know, the scheme. Like, I felt really good using the conspiracy palette because it really took me out of my, you know, out of my ritual, out of my, you know, like doing gold and white. And I think I was gonna do this. I was gonna do like this bold look with this conspiracy palette, and then I was gonna do like a neutral theme with Tati palettes, but I was like, no, let me just give them a fair comparison and just do something that I have never done with both palettes. I know that with Tati palette, I'm gonna do neutral looks with, and with conspiracy palette, it's just something that I'm gonna use like rarely, like half the time, like only when I'm like doing like Halloween stuff, or more of like, you know, like I want an edgy look that day and I'm feeling bold, I will go for the conspiracy palette. If I feel like an everyday me, it's Tati palette. That's just honest, true. Would I use Tati glitter all the time? Hell no, because it's so messy. But I freaking love it. It's lovely. It's lovely. And that Illuminati color from Shane, oh, he nailed that. He is so pretty. Yo, Illuminati is gonna be my color. So pretty. Okay, let me go ahead and fix my face. I'm gonna zhuzh it, and I'll be back. Relax your mind. Okay, so pros about the conspiracy palette. I really freaking think it's a diverse palette. I feel like if you're really into just like the idea of having a different color, it's not in the market, which I feel like people are gonna copy things. So, you know, like this is just a collector items. I feel like if you're not a basic bitch, don't get this. But if you do want to support Shane, go ahead and go get it. I think if you are a basic bitch like me, there is color that you most definitely could use in this palette. It's not like Tati palette, which you could use like a lot of colors here to just do your everyday makeup. Another pro about the conspiracy palette, I really freaking love the formula. Illuminati, baby, you are like stealing my heart. You know, I freaking love the Illuminati formula. I love all the formula. I feel like it was very good. Yeah, it had a lot of fallout, but it's a palette, whatever. I really love how it blended in. I enjoyed the names. They were very funny. This is really a collector's item. If you really want to spend your money on something that's just like fun, outgoing, diverse, you could still do a little bit of basic looks. get this palette. Okay, so for Tati palette, I would say I did not enjoy the black, like I say, and the name was very confusing. Like, shoot, which one is this one? I wish it was like individual names, but I do most definitely feel like this blended in nicely, except when it got to the ashy black, and I was like, But regardless, I really love the colors. I love the glitters. It was annoying at first, but I was like, oh, it has glitter, like perfect. I just put it in. I feel like I could use my fingers. I felt like I was able to just, you know, use more my finger than anything else. Really enjoyed these colors. These colors are so out, like in my alley. Not even that, the mirror is so fantastic. She really detailed. It's very simple, but I really feel like these are the colors that I'm just gonna lean into, and I know that I'm gonna use. I feel like once I start playing with it, I feel like I know that I'm going to just automatically use this palette the most than the Conspiracy palette. I just wanna to just use the Conspiracy palette to just see, but I know that Tati palette will be the one that I'm going to lean towards. I think regardless, you can't compare these because they're just so different people. I would just say to my audience, if you're anything like me, I'm just a basic girl trying to live a basic life and, you know, not get, you know, just simple things. I like simplicity. I like minimal. It's Tati palette. If you want like to have fun and be fun and edgy and diverse, go for this palette. Honestly, just buy both of them. Support them. They just look like great people, honestly. Like, they're really, I feel like they're doing their thing and they care for people. So cuties, I do hope that you all enjoyed this video. It was such an exhilarating, exciting thing to do. I felt like this is how I started my YouTube videos, doing like makeup tutorials. You know, I was like, I'm gonna be a beauty guru, but I'm not. I'm more like into self-care and self-love and just sending that message out there. But it feels good coming back home and just, you know, just doing the review, just sitting down, kind of basic girl like me, dabble into these two palettes, you know, can she master like blending or not? Like, what's easier for me, a girl who's just basic, an everyday girl, has a 9-to-5, which palette would she lean to? Honestly, like I mentioned, like these both, and I will lean to one more than the other due to personal reasons, but it's up to you. Comment down below and let me know what palette you got, or which one do you prefer, and then is there something that you don't like about the palette? I'm very interested to know. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification button because I'm pretty sure you don't want to miss none of these videos. Let me know if y'all do want to see more like reviews on like makeup and like how basic girl like me is trying to, like, you know, conquer these palettes and dabble into these palettes and so on. But anyways, I'll see y'all when I see ya. Peace. Bye.